Hi everyone, my name is Jenny. If you're new to my channel, I basically share content around AI. So it's really for me to share with you some insights as I learn a little bit more about the AI ecosystem, which includes the AI tools that I've been testing out as well as the companies that's within the AI ecosystem. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive right into this topic. So why AI video generated ad can be so expensive? Now, if you have used ads like Higgsfield, Kling AI, or even InVideo AI, you know that each of them requires you to subscribe to the paid plans which comes with a limited monthly credit. And sometimes this credit limit doesn't even make sense because you can easily use it up by generating only 1 to 2 videos, especially when you're just testing things out just to see, what works and what not. Now, if you purchase more credit every time you hit a credit limit, the cost can add up really quickly and it can be really expensive. So why do these apps place credit limit and why can they be so expensive? Now, to answer that question, first we need to understand how video generation works in an AI world. Now, when you actually enter a prompt into this AI video generator app, what happens is that the AI app will first try to convert those words into understanding. Now, let's take an example. Let's say you wanted to generate a video and you key in the prompt that says, generate a 10-second video of a corgi ordering a coffee in Tokyo Cafe. Now, I know this doesn't really make sense, but in the AI world, not everything is possible. A lot of things that doesn't make sense is out there right now. So yeah, imagine you actually put in this prompt. Now, what happened next is that the AI will then try to understand what's a corgi, what's a cafe like, where is Tokyo, what's Tokyo like, and what's camera angle, lighting, and etc. that it wants to use to generate the video for you. Now, once it has all of this information, the AI will then generate hundreds of frames or images to create the video. Now, the frames can consist of an image of a corgi walking into the cafe, or it could be an image of a corgi at the coffee counter, or an image of a corgi talking to the barista ordering a coffee. Now, the AI would then use all these frames, stitch it together to become a video. Now, the expensive part is actually not storing these frames in the server, but it is the GPU or the graphics processing units spending 30 to 60 seconds doing trillions of calculations when generating these frames. Just to give you an example, a frame could consist 1000 times 1000 pixel, and that's 1 million pixel for one frame. And the AI will then figure out what each pixel is supposed to be for every single frame. And that's a huge math. And GPU doesn't come cheap. Let's take for example NVIDIA H100, which is the AI GPU. It costs about 25K to 40K per unit. And that's also because the AI GPU is not easy to manufacture. It is in fact very difficult to manufacture. Another example would be Kling AI. They are an AI video generator app owned by Kuaishou Technology, a Chinese technology company. Now, Kling AI actually trains their own AI model. In order for them to actually train their own AI model, they need training data, which means that they need the data to be hosted on a server that's stored in a data center. And these AI infrastructure can either be owned by them, rented by them, or both. And the AI infrastructure can be very costly as well. So back to the question, why AI video generator app can be so expensive? That's also because the entire AI infrastructure to support video generation, it is not cheap at all. And they need to charge the users so that they can pay for the AI infrastructure. And of course, one of the best way to use this AI video generator app is to optimize the credits that you have. So this could look like generating the images or scenes beforehand using free AI tools like maybe ChatGPT to create those images first before stitching it together and using Kling AI or even Higgsfield to help you to generate a more detailed video scenes or video clip. So hope you find this video helpful. If there's anything else that you would like to find out more, or there are any sort of content that you might find interesting that you'd like me to cover, do let me know as well. All right, see you in the next video.